Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enable general location on Opera browser in computer. So how to enable general location on Opera browser in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Opera browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this, and scroll down. And tap the settings menu here. Now here you are in the settings menu. Enter the privacy security menu. Now here you are in the privacy security menu. Next, tap menu privacy consent settings. And it will appear like this. And tap general location. This feature allows Opera browser to access the user's general location on the computer to improve the accuracy of services and search results. So that's it, the tutorial how to enable general location on Opera browser in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.